MAST Families, it's AP Sitar, and I'm here to show you what to do so you can join us next week for parent-teacher conferences. Our meetings will be virtual, so I'm going to show you what to do in order to meet with your child's teacher. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to www.teacherreacher.com. This is what we use in order to have our parent-teacher conferences. So if you have an account with us, you're going to log in, and if not, then you need to create an account by signing up. So click sign up, and you're going to enter your email address, your first and last name, a phone number. You're going to create a password just for this account, confirm your password, select your district, which is our school, Mathematics, Science Research, and Technology High School. Then you're going to check that you're not a robot by clicking on I'm not a robot in the reCAPTCHA, and you're going to be ready to sign in. If you already have an account with us, you just need to log in using your email and your password. And if you forgot your password, you click forgot password. It will send you a new reset link so that you can go ahead and create a new password. All right. Then you find My Students on the menu link. You're going to go ahead and add a student by clicking, by filling out their first name, their last name. Again, Mathematics, Science Research, and Technology High School. And then you can either put their student ID in the box or select their date of birth. Once you do that, you click submit, and you'll be able to now choose what conference day you would like. Would you like to come in on a Thursday evening, virtually of course, or Friday afternoon? Once you click on the conference date, you will be able to make appointments. Remember that you can choose either Thursday evening or Friday afternoon. Then you're going to schedule the appointment. You can schedule up to 6 teachers at a time. Next to your child's name, you'll be able to see the teachers either by department with what they teach or alphabetically. You'll be able to click up to 6 teachers, and then you hit continue. Then you'll be able to see a time under the teacher's name where you'll be able to make an appointment. When the time slot is clicked, the appointment is confirmed. You can make up to 7 appointments because that's how many classes your child may have. So if at any time you make a mistake and you click at the wrong time, you just press the X icon to remove it. And when you're good, you're done, those are the appointments you want, you go ahead and click done, and your appointments have been made. You can go ahead and repeat this for any student that you have in our school. Now, you will have a My Schedule link, and when you click on that, it will show you the appointments. It will give you the teacher's name. It will show you the time of your appointment, and of course, the date as well. And it will let you know when you'll be able to click on their Zoom link in order to meet with them. If you want to delete your appointment at any time, you can also do that by just clicking delete. On the day of your parent-teacher conference, you will receive a reminder email, and you'll be able to click right on the Zoom link at the time of your appointment, which will take you directly to meet with your teacher. Okay, please remember that on the day of the conference, there's going to be a Zoom link that you need to click on, so you must be on time for your appointment. Conferences are only 6 minutes long, so we really ask that you keep your conversations brief, your questions brief. If you need more time, you can always schedule a follow-up meeting with the teacher. If any of these dates and times don't work for you, using Teacher Reacher, you can also request for a phone conference. Instead of when you're making the appointment, you can ask for a phone conference instead. You won't need to pick a time, and the teacher can call you. You just have to leave your number for the teacher to call you. I believe you can also leave a message. If you need any support setting up your account, or if you have any questions, just contact me at apsattar@masths.org. That's apsattar@masths.org. We look forward to seeing you soon. As always, we love that we are able to partner with you in your child's education. So thank you for all that you do. See you soon.